I'm John Mattis with InvestigateGuy.com. Today I've got another segment for you. And in the past, I've been in some scary situations, and you know what I'm talking about. But today I've got something really scary for you. It's called the public option for health care. It sure has crowds riled up.
It'll be a cold day in hell before he socializes my country.
But if we can stop the shouting for 30 seconds, here's a definition. A public option means the government offers insurance in the marketplace, along with our friends at private insurance companies like Aetna. Okay, now back to the shouting. Well, the crowds don't seem to love it, but we met a man who says the public option works. Meet Vincent Mudd.
I'm on the board of directors for State Compensation Insurance Fund, yes. It is a public option.
His fund, which was set up by the state, sells workers' compensation insurance to provide coverage for workers who are injured on the job. Oh my God! Do the folks at the town hall meetings know the public option's already here?
It's been in California for over 90 years.
No sign on the building says public option, but the fund offers public versus private workers' compensation insurance. And Vincent says,
The fund is solvent.
So solvent, they have a $4 billion surplus. Is something fishy?
What's the catch?
Well, I'm not sure there is a catch.
Here are the facts. The fund is 1. Nonprofit. 2. Has provided benefits to injured workers for decades. 3. Hasn't put private insurance out of business, as the fund has only 23% of the market. You don't have to buy it.
That's all the public option is. It's just an option. Does it destroy the private market? Absolutely not.
Wait, it all sounds so reasonable. I better ask them the questions all my friends from the town halls want to ask.
People say this is some kind of satanic cult. What do you say?
I don't know where it comes from, but it's not based on any fact as it relates to at least the fund I know about.
Okay, but what about the people at town hall meetings who say socialists and Nazis are behind all this?
The question is, where do your marching orders come from? I'm hearing Moscow, I'm hearing Berlin. Where?
Our marching orders come from our policyholders now. Our policyholders pay their premiums, and we protect their workers.
But stop right there. Everyone at the town hall meetings knows one thing about a public option. It's those pesky death panels. So we asked,
how often do you convene death panels at the fund?
That's an interesting concept, these death panels. I don't know where that comes from either. I can't understand it. At State Fund, if you're injured, we take care of you. We make sure that you get the medical treatment necessary for as long as you require it.
He says the California State Fund's never killed a granny.
We have people who've been drawing benefits from State Fund for decades.
Did I miss something at all the town hall events? What are they yelling about?
So why is the word public option so dirty?
Vincent's answer to everyone at the town halls, chill.
We should not fear the concept of a public option.
And he says the public doesn't need to run.
You don't need to run in fear. There are no aliens chasing you. There isn't going to be a government bureaucrat sitting over your bed with a calculator trying to decide whether or not you're going to be covered or not covered.
Well, here we are at the State Fund, and there don't seem to be any protesters outside at all. And there are no flags, socialist or any other kind of flags here. Let's go inside to find out if there's any satanic music playing. I don't hear any satanic music in here. And if you're hearing satanic music, you are hearing things. Bottom line, public option, not that scary. Meanwhile, if you've been scammed or schemed, get in touch with us at InvestigateGuy.com. I got your back.